ITL. So one is understanding of what is ITL thing and examples of ITL and how to remember things. And next one is the maintenance part and troubleshooting that. Okay, tools part. Okay, so here when you go to the ITL, we need a PPT, right? So where is the PPT? So it is in my F drive. Okay, these are the PPTs. First, we have to go to introduction, and already I shared some pictures to you. Guys, go through the pictures and try to understand, try to establish the story in the pictures. So then you will understand how in IT company it is working. So already I told what is a ITL. Okay, so ITL means IT infrastructure library. IT means information technology infrastructure library. ITL, information technology infrastructure library. So ITL provide a practical no nonsense framework for this. Part is important: identifying, planning, delivering, and supporting IT services to the business. Okay, so there are different type of benefits are there in ITL also. So we'll see that one. So it is still opening. Okay. So what is ITL? IT means information technology. IL means information library, infrastructure library. Sorry, infrastructure library. So when the term came IT, the time that the term IT is there, right? So here we'll see what is the IT and IT organization. So then we'll go for a ITL. So understand IT organization is also important here. Now, what is IT organization? So any business is a business. Means I am doing my construction business. Okay, we'll see. Mine is a construction business. MRF, Bridgestone. Okay, these are tire manufacturing companies. Tire manufacturing companies. Maruti, Suzuki. Okay, Maruti, Suzuki, Tata Electrical, Tata Motors. These are all car manufacturing companies or bike manufacturing companies. For example, I put a Maruti. Actually, Maruti started direct car companies. Okay, so Tata also, of course, construction business. Now, in my place, there is a big strike is going on. That is called Vishakhapatnam Steel Plant. So they are privatizing. So that's a lot of fight is going on. It's a steel company, for example, Tata Steel, um, Seal. There are a lot of steel companies are there, right? So, for example, Tata Steel, steel company. So these are all non-IT companies only. These are all non-IT companies, right? So what are the non-IT companies? So many non-IT companies are there. Now this Serum Institute, that vaccine, Ranbaxy, pharmaceutical companies, Ranbaxy, pharmaceutical company, Dr. Reddy's, pharmaceutical company, not IT company. There are pharmaceutical companies only, pharma department, non-IT companies. Hmm. Any other non-IT? I'm not getting. Okay. Business, either way, service wise, like airport, flight, the kind of stuff like Indian Airways. Kingfisher is not there now. Okay, Kingfisher is gone. Deccan is also gone. Vistara. What is our favorite? It is Indigo. Indigo. Uh, okay, these are our flight companies, non-IT companies. There, then what service are they giving? Transport. Bus related one, bus manufacturers, of course. Okay, Bench or Isuzu, whatever it is. Bus transport by government or a private sectors, private transportation, government transportations, bus transportations, railways, railways. Okay, so railways by government, later it is private anyway. Okay, so these are all organizations, either it is government body or maybe it is a private word. It's a businesses, grocery store, grocery stores, vegetable markets. These are all businesses only, but non-IT companies. Okay. Then what is the IT company? What is this IT company? This. So example of IT company, Cognizant. Savantis is itself a IT company. Um, Wipro,
Accenture.
Accenture, Microsoft, VMware we are using. We should not forget that one. VMware, Microsoft, Red Hat, Oracle. These are all IT companies only. But what they do? What they do? Okay. So what these IT companies are doing it? For example, if you take Microsoft, Microsoft dealing with, first of all, they'd build a DOS. After that one, they build a Windows. After that one, Windows 95, 97, NT 95, 98, and Windows servers also there. Windows NT server, 2000 server, 2003 server, 2008 server. Now it is we are using Windows 10, 2019 server. So Windows servers, database servers. There are SQL database server, Exchange mail servers. So what they are doing? They're constructing an operating system, applications, and they sell into market. So what are they doing? They develop some operating system or any other things. So they're selling to market, right? So development department. Next, we'll go to next one. Wipro BPO. So we'll come to the BPO. Sutherlands, HDFC. So HDFC one part, different part is there. HDFC. So what they are doing it is BPO, supporting customers. For example, I purchase a Microsoft from my Microsoft and I got an issue. I have to call to the toll free number. The BPO people will lift it. So what is the issue and how to solve it? Okay. Next. So that is development. BPOs, business process outsourcing. So connect the customers. So give the information or solve their issues. Is technical support, customer care is the two parts are there. Technical support and customer cares. Customer issues. Find out the customer issues. Or what are the complaints from the customer? So you have to deal with that a customer, right? So that is a BPO sector. KPO sector, knowledge processing unit. Okay, so distribute the knowledge like information. Okay, information wise we can do it. Infrastructure services, infrastructure services like a control s is one of the infrastructure like services type. Okay, or maybe cloud services. Currently in a cloud services are there. So just like a Azure, GCP, AWS, these are cloud based services. Okay, cloud, not cloud based service, cloud service. Next, cloud based services. What is one cloud based services? Service now, Salesforce. Salesforce in a cloud, I forget this one. Salesforce is one of the platform as a service. Sorry, not platform, not platform. Application as a service. Salesforce, Dynamic CRM, Dynamic 365 also comes under software as a service. Software as a service. Okay, Salesforce, Dynamic CRM like this. So, okay, cloud services. Okay, I'm getting internet, right? So that is we should not forget. That is best example for everything. Internet services. It means so I'm getting internet, right? So that is also IT company, and I'm getting internet to me, and I'm giving a complaint. I'm not getting internet. Then BPO people will answer. Technical support people will tell. So why I'm not getting internet? Or billing issue. Then customer related one. Technical issue. Technical related people are dealing, right? So these are all IT companies, right? So different IT companies are there. Now, what is the relation? Why I said non-IT company and IT company? Okay, and IT company and IT company. So why I tell these things? We'll see. It is something. It is a picture. Okay, so don't worry. So Non-IT companies may require IT related thing. For example, I want manufacturing like a tire manufacturing is there. I purchase raw material and I construct everything. I have a huge employees. So for supporting purpose, for designing purpose or a employee purpose, I need a certain softwares, accounting related software, SAP HR related software, HR related software, Salesforce related softwares, right? So to whom I have to contact that software providers, okay, developer companies, Salesforce company, or maybe Tally is the best example in both ways of DevOps and ITL. The best example is one of the example is Tally. Okay, accounting software Tally, maybe SAP consultants are there, SAP basis or SAP HR, SAP ABAP, like so HR software I required from SAP, or maybe Dynamic CRM or Office 365 tools. So what I want some softwares to deal with it. Where to run the software? We need operating system, and to run the operating system, you need a hardware. Okay, hardware suppliers, system suppliers are required. See, a non-IT company required IT resources. Understand? So application wise, internet is also required, are hardware systems required, operating system required, printers required, okay, like that. Yes, someone is telling. Emirates Airline, Ashok Leyland, very good. Air India, Etihad Airways, I don't know that one. What is this?
Etihad Airways.
Is it there really? Is Indian or outside India? Okay, what is this? This is not ours, Indians. Should know all. Okay. So next, companies which provide a software services, right? FMCG companies. Okay. 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 So I want to manufacture tires. What is the relation of tire manufacturing to IT companies? So that is understand. IT service required by non-IT companies. Okay. For example, air flights. So you put airports more. So right. So every details we have to scan it. How many people are getting into the flight? What is their reservation status? QR code scanning or that scanning thing kind of stuff, right? Ticket scanning, and that is that barcode scanning, QR code scannings. Okay, flight scheduling information. So that's we need to booking, booking,
Leave
bookings.com,
management system for employees.
employee management, HR management, duty scheduling, work done. So this is entire information required. So what they need a IT company. Okay, people tell, oh, okay, IT company, waste fellows, like this kind of stuff. But IT company also there is a requirement. That's why IT growth is high is compared to other companies because others are doing business regularly, but IT requirement by non-IT companies is heavy. Now I'll go to another next part. IT companies required IT company. IT, non-IT, I told, but IT companies required IT company. For example, I started a business. For example, I'm a software development company. So I do some software development kind of stuff. Okay, it's a software development company. Then what I need it? So I need a operating system, systems, supply, internet connections, supporting systems are required, right? So I'm an IT company. I'm also depends upon other IT companies. So that's why IT will get a business from non-IT company and as well as IT company also. For example, controllers are a certain like a cognizant like there are big companies also provide a infrastructure part, means they will maintain infrastructure for other companies. Just for example, websites. So I want to construct my own website. So what I have to do? Simple. Contact Big Rocks or GoDaddy. So register your domain name, and they will give you hosting part also, like 1 GB, 2 GB thing. So pay and do hosting. So they are maintaining website for me. For example, my company want to develop a website, and what they will do, they will contact a company who is maintaining websites. So they will pay for the money. So they will maintain my website. So I don't need to maintain my website. Okay, I will maintain other things. I don't want to put a burden on that thing. Okay, so I will put a burden on my company main part only. Others I will take it. Internet services. Company required internet services like HCL, Ticona, Airtel, Sahara. So there is a lot of IT internet service providers are there. Okay, of course Reliance. Now Reliance is not there, so Geo is came up, but Geo we don't know at in a commercial wise. So still which is there. Okay, so like that, internet service providers required, hardware suppliers are required. So like that, so we need a IT company. So this is the overall picture of IT organization. And as we discussed earlier, so we have to document each and everything about our organizations, both purchase and as well as sales. We can do it. So if you understand very simple way to internet services, someone is an internet organization, IT company, I need a service. So I request for internet service, I will get a internet services. If I got an issue, I will report, then I will get a support from the IT internet service provider. Software developer services, so means like application providers are a developer service provider. So I need a particular software for my organization. I contact the company. Then what they will do? So they will construct or their create an application for my organizations. Okay, and they will provide. So here the point is, IT company means it provide a service. The service is one of the keyword in your part. So what they are doing, they are providing service. What IT company alone is sitting, "Oh, okay, I'm IT company, very big company, so and they do nothing." Just like I visited one hospital when after my diploma, of course, to deliver one ECG equipment. Okay, I seen that hospital, no patients is. It's a very big hospital. It's a cardiac hospital in Visakhapatnam. No patient is there, only doctor, and there is a one candidate, that's it, and another one lawyer and one pandit, that's it. No one is there, no patients, only some patient came, but that's only for breathing oxygen for some time. I don't know, so whether, except that one I didn't see anything in that one. Okay, so like that, if you consider you have a IT company and you do nothing, means what is the use of your IT company? You have to provide a service. What is the service? A service or multiple service you can able to provide. Take example of Microsoft providing a cloud services, application services, supporting BPO kind of services. Okay, different services. Go to the Cognizant website, go to Savantis website, go to Tata TCS website. What is the company, what services they are providing, what is that company, and what services are providing? That is, you have to compulsory put a question, so then you will understand the IT company and service providers. Okay, so normally service providers, this is a common name of IT companies. Okay, so what are you give, that is called a service. So that is our IT company. What is this infrastructure library? The term the called infrastructure library, it means you have to manage our infrastructure. If infrastructure is stable and running correct, so then you can give 100% uh, information to 100% services to the company. So what are the service you said? So are you providing that service or not? That is very important. So you said this is the company, this is a company. Okay, this is a company. and this is the client. Okay, the company said I will provide this kind of services to the client, so client agrees with that one. So he, whether he got the service or not. Just for example, I took a 50 Mbps connection. So that's why I told internet is the best example in IT, and understanding this ITL is internet services are very better example. Okay. Now I took a 50 Mbps internet connection, but I got 10 Mbps only. What is that meaning? What is that meaning? I'm not getting the speed what my service provider told to me. He said you will get 50 Mbps, but I'm not getting 50 Mbps. That's why they said like this up to part, up to 50 Mbps. It can be 1 Mbps, 2 Mbps, or 50 Mbps. Anything can be there in between 0 to 50. That's why it is up to 50 Mbps. Okay. So thing is, whether it is up to or not, what internet service provider said 50 Mbps. Am I getting or not? Am I getting 100% uptime, or it is connected? For example, he said 50 Mbps and it connected for 1 hour, and 2 hours is disconnected. Again after 2 hours, again it is connected. Okay. Again after 1 hour, again it is disconnected. Okay. Like it is connected and disconnected. So then service is maintaining lot of downtime. Okay, that is not good for our organization. So that is what we have to see at a level. Okay, so what we are providing a services, and make sure that the service should be provided, and stably we have to can able to give it. The service is a main big term, the main important term in a ITL. So other things we will discuss in ITL. Okay, ITL is a concept only. It is just a concept. It is not a, application. ITL is not an application. It is a concept. So it will ask you questions to in each and every part of the business. So then we can understand ITL and apply the ITL rules into your business. So then we can maintain stable and longer run businesses. If you see certain businesses, they open within a 6 months or 1 year, the business will gone from the market. Of course, there is a lot of uh, things are there. So some are like investment issues, some are marketing issues or product delivery issues. See, even though we are not having private internet connections, still in our mind, BSNL is, we don't go for BSNL generally. BSNL service is there for almost all entire India. Maximum 80% BSNL services are there. Even the villages also getting business the BSNL landline and business BSNL mobile phone, as well as the internet connections. Even for villages also. Okay, villages and rural areas also we are getting BSNL connection, but we don't go for it. Why are not going for it? Because of previous experience of BSNL. Like always it will disconnected, they won't respond. Okay, they will ask money, extra money to give a connection. So these kind of pictures, so we don't trust it, and we even business is huge opportunity for BSNL, but from the people it is not there. Of course from the government also now. Okay, but this is what happening into the businesses. We will trust others, we will trust private people, because uh, in my hometown, I want to take a business BSNL connection. It took almost more than 2 weeks. 2 weeks, more than 2 weeks. It's 2 weeks just for application purpose only. So 2 weeks and again 2 weeks waiting. Almost like I got finally got internet. But here in my, I'm in a Pune. Okay, so I search for the connection people. Like I found some guy by suggested owner. Okay, I called that candidate. He came next day. I paid the money. He given the connection. The day by evening, morning he came 10 o'clock. Afternoon by 2 o'clock I got a internet connection. And in my hometown, same thing. I called to that candidate, and I given address. So he said it is a longer distance, but we will give you a connection. And he take a document and money, and next day he came and he fixed the connection. The next day we got internet. Okay, so that is what. I'm saying it is the service, faster the services, and if you got an issue, resolve the issues in the services. It makes your business stable and longer run. To understand it, to follow it, okay, to make it more stable. So this ITL giving a suggestions. And how ITL came into market. So I will tell that one. Initially, same principle. Lot of people starting IT businesses. The lack of information, lack of following things. Some are become very good in a business. For example, Microsoft, Apple, like this companies are in a market. Intel, Motorola, Motorola. Okay, these are all in market. Both hardware manufacturing, application manufacturing, operating system application development, operating system development, and hardware development. Everybody is in the business. Some are get highlighted, some are get into the business, some are go for a bankrupt. So because they can't able to pay money for employees or nothing. So why it has happened? Because the business is very important. Even still, in the people are putting question. So you are giving more loans to the business people, but you are not waiving that loans for farmers. So of course, I'm not discussing that one. But point is, stable business is very important. So because of business runs, the money circulates, and it will give more opportunity for employees and as well as other country to develop taxation and all money. It will be circulation will increases. Does not mean you have to give money freely to the corporate people, and loss will occur. Okay, no problem. So you don't have to pay anything. That is should not be there. So that's why you should not compare with one thing and so important thing is give the importance like a supplier raw material, discounts in some places, or maybe loan wise, or not without waiving it, but supporting wise, or a product wise, like that we have to give more support to the business, or issues in the business we have to solve it. It's not a government duty, but it is the industrialist duty. Okay, even last time I hear this thing, last few days back. So Microsoft given almost like a 150 million to the Steve Jobs, and Steve Jobs is a heavy competitor for Microsoft that time. He's a heavy competitor. It's and he's always make a fun of um, Microsoft people, but he given an investment. So thing is, so he can take over the Apple, and he can own that Apple also. But what he's done, he given investment, so then he saved that company, let it do business, and make it uh, competition. So then more business will circulate, more employees, more tax, more outcomes will occur. So that is what is the point of that one. So here it is because of this issues. Sometimes up, sometimes down. Sometimes you have to depreciation like a close down is occurs. So what they done, they observe. So the people who are in this team, so observing all the businesses, observing all the business, how it is going on, how it is going. So they given a certain suggestions. Then later, so find out the result of that suggestions, applying that certain principles on it. So observing it. So based on that observations in a larger companies, they started writing a rule book. Okay, like your agile manifesto type only. So they started writing a rule book, rule 1, rule 2, rule 3, like this. It means planning some life cycles, follow these life cycles, so then you can make a business. And still again they'll revise it, then created another version of thing like that. They keep on observe from the different companies outcomes and all. So stabilization of business, success and failures. So they take some points and include in these life cycles and suggest to the people. So that is what ITL it is. Okay, actually ITL is started with the UK only, and Microsoft also has a one process like this. Okay, mass. Yes, yes, yes. It's not mock. It's yes. So like they are provided the solution. So then first they'll create a ITL version 1, then ITL version 2, and ITL version 3. And ITL version 4 is also released into market. So these PPTs are version 3 PPTs only. The PPTs I shared, that is version 3 PPT. I am teaching only version 3 only. Version 4 I didn't touch it because okay. So we'll go to the other part. So then I will stop here. Okay. Just okay. I will continue. Then I will stop. So infrastructure library. So it is a widely adopted approach for IT services management in the world. It provides a practical, no-nonsense framework for identifying, planning, delivering, and supporting IT services to the businesses. Okay, what are the features or benefits of ITL usage? Improve IT services. Unnecessary cost will be reduced. Okay, reduction in the cost. Improve customer satisfaction through more professional approach to a service delivery. Improved productivity, improve use of skills and experience. Okay, that is the one. So here um, customer satisfaction, there is a lot of examples to understand things. So demand in the business, trusting products, product trust is very important. So you see, Nokia Lumina series is launched. Before Lumina series, there is a future phones only there. Nokia future phones only there. No smartphones that time. So Nokia 1100, like that. Okay, Nokia mobile phones. Next one is Samsung mobile phone, Motorola, and other companies like a Micromax, and all these companies are came up into market. Okay, but if you want to buy a mobile phone, if you ask anyone, they will tell buy a Nokia mobile phone. Why? Anyone knows? Anybody seen Nokia 1100 phone type? World mobile phones.
Sustainability.
Sustainability, very good word. Other than anything, common words.
Quality, sir.
Quality, good. Yes, quality is good. Strong.
That batteryless.
Huh? What is it? Is I didn't. Okay. Someone told, but I didn't able to get that point. Okay, no point. Quality is important. Okay. Um, no issues as long as battery backup. I think so. He said battery backup is good. Stable battery backup. 2 3 days you will get it battery backup. Okay. Others will morning you if you disconnect from 100%. By evening it will be 0%. But Nokia will get a 2 3 days battery backup, right? So that is battery backup, quality, other things also will very good. Only bad thing in Nokia is the earphones. Earphones is very worst. Always, always give same model only. No other models in earphones. Now no earphones for with the package. You have to buy separately, of course. But thing is, service is available for Nokia anywhere. Like if you got a problem in your Nokia mobile phone, like a display problem or any issues internally, you can go to Nokia service center. Like, there are a lot of Nokia centers are there. Even for a small towns, also weekly once they conduct a service. So then people will trust because of service. For example, I took a internet connection. I check in Google. It got almost 1.5 or 2 rating only. The guy came for a internet connection that time. I said, you got very less Google ratings. So can I trust you? This is works or not? He said, anyway, you pay for a 3 months or 6 months, then you can use it. Oh shit! I have to pay my internet connection. Tomorrow it will disconnect. This today is the last date for my internet connection also. Okay, so I should not forget. Okay, guys, we'll be back again. Understand? Internet connection is there. So now, um, I feel like if anybody in this area, if they ask, can I take this internet connection Xeon, the Gazon something is there, okay, Gazon. So like the Gazon, can I take this internet connection? So I will suggest, okay, take it. Of course, price. Yeah, I live in Vishakhapatnam. So how ITL related to ITIS and only through service or what? Okay, so that is very important question. ITL, ITIS. So we'll come back to that one. Okay. See, because of any time I got an issue, I can approach the candidate or the person who is working in this area, or I can put a complaint also. I got lot of times service disconnected. Okay, so they're not, if they are not giving response properly, definitely I will try to go for another one. But they are giving response, they're repairing. Maybe sometimes it will take time. Sometimes they have got some issues. They inform before you have a issue in this one. Okay, like that. So customer satisfaction is important. So as I said in Nokia example, like anytime you can able to repair. Even a roadside candidate is also the roadside newly learned the candidate also can able to repair it. So later the China phones came up. No one will understand how to repair those kind of stuff, Micromax and all. Even though people purchase a Microsoft, they don't tell. They will tell like no no don't better not to purchase a Microsoft because once you got a repair, it is always a repair only. So that is a customer satisfaction based on your service delivery. Customers trust your organization with the service delivery. For example, Dauber Patanjali. Still, Dauber is can able to sell their products. Even Patanjali given a big competition in a Dauber and Vico Vajradanti. Okay, but still there are in a market. Still, how much market before Patanjali, same market they are getting now also because of people are using and trusting and they are purchasing those kind of stuff. Very simple, right? Even I said BSNL. So BSNL is become down not because of only them in a competition also, but still it's there. So it's running longer. But how many businesses came and left? Compare with the LIC to Peerless, some other life insurance companies. They came into the market, they left from the market, but LIC is there, still there. So that is what trust through service. Trust get the through services. Customer satisfaction. Guys, one more important point. In these PPTs, if you find a spelling mistake, it is not my mistake because I didn't create this PPT. I took PPTs from other CMS organization. There I worked earlier. Okay. Improved productivity, improve use of skills and experiences. Okay. Productivity, production values increases, purchasing, skills and experience. You got a issue like for example you purchase a laptop from a company from a Lenovo for example, or mine is a Lenovo, right? So if I got an issue, I take it to Lenovo care and then they have to repair and give me back safely, right? So that is important. So improve our skills, get a issue, so don't ignore it. So what it is, understand, practice and deliver it. So that is customer, the skilled person is very important. There is a service people also there, no? People come to your home and they'll clean your AC kind of stuff. That is I forget, the service people. So experiences new, like that we'll go skill and experience candidates. Okay, this is a service. Okay, so many are there. ITL certification is also available. Foundation certificate anybody can able to write. Okay, anybody means freshers also can write it. Less than 2 years experience candidate is also eligible for foundation. Foundation for anybody starting one. But if you want to go for intermediate and expert levels of ITL certificate, minimum 2 years experience required for intermediate and 5 years experience required for experts. So first one is foundation, then is intermediate, then expert in a kitchen services. Okay, these are a world PPTs, but still there is a thing. APMG is coordinating with this ITL certification thing. So Quient is a training partner, and there is a 40 questions 26 as will care 1 hour exam only. So it is very easy exam, no difficulty and all. Only one thing is there is a question and they will give you four options. And if you read the question and read the answers and you don't find which answer is correct, all answers are correct or all answers are wrong only. We don't understand what it is. But material studying questions are also very simple. Very simple. Sometimes question is small, answers are big, or sometimes uh, thing. I've written examination. I passed in the examination. How I passed, I don't know. But that time I have very less knowledge, so I passed in. Now keep on taking classes. Now I reduce my knowledge. Less knowledge, better become a trainer. Okay, this is a very old certificate. Okay, so new certificate is also there. Okay. These are the five life cycles in ITL: service strategy, service design, service transition, service operations, continual service improvement. So this is important. In ITL, overall important is what is ITL? And information technology infrastructure library. And ITL provides practical, no nonsense framework for identifying, planning, delivering, and supporting IT services to the business. Improve IT services. To what is the benefits of ITL is improve IT services, reduce the cost, improve customer satisfaction through more professional approach to service delivery, improve productivity, improve use of skills and experience. Next point is ITL has a five life cycles: service strategy, service design, service transition, service operations, and continual service improvement. That's it. Here is an introduction of ITL. This is the ITL history. ITL history. Hey, MOF is only correct. MOS not MOS. MOF is correct. Microsoft Operational Framework. Okay, so different. They started with 1980s. The later it is improved in a different names. Finally, they said it is ITL. ITL version 3 and 2011 is the latest version according to the previous PPTs. Okay, so now it is ITL version 4 is there in market. 4. What is the characteristics of ITL? Again, it's a non-proprietary, no owner. To use ITL, you don't need to take permission from anyone. You can start using your IT business, start using ITL. Okay, no need to ask anyone permission, no need to pay for anyone, nothing. It is a non-proprietary, means there is a no owner. Like a Microsoft, owner is proprietary of Microsoft, Windows Server, Windows 10, MS SQL, Exchange. So these are all Microsoft proprietary, right? But here ITL is not a proprietary. It is not even a product. It is not a proprietary kind of stuff. No need to take a permission from anybody. So based on best practice in industry, so maximum organizations are using this ITL best practice in industry because almost all everybody follow ITL. Proven activity or process that have been successfully used by multiple organizations. What is the thing is it is used by multiple organizations and they observe the how it is the performance of ITL in organizations issues and all, and they given this suggestion. Practical approach to service by adopting a common framework of practice that unite all the area of IT provision towards single aim delivery value to the business. That is a smallest one. There is a very big paragraphs are there. So we'll see that one. Practical approach to service by adopting common framework of practice. So whatever it is, ITL is a theory part, but we can do in practically we can apply these theories on our service delivery time or a business kind of stuff. Okay, adopting common framework of practice that unite all area of IT service provision towards single aim delivery to the businesses. Vendor neutral, applicable to any IT organization, vendor neutral. So I'm a company like a Tech Mahindra, I'm a company TCS, I'm a company like different company, any company under IT, whether it is BPO or it can be internet service provider or it can be a software development company or it can be a hardware procurement company. So whatever it is, IT organization is anything. This can be applicable vendor neutral. So these are the points. Here, what is IT service management? Okay, here it is IT. What is the IT service management? Here, understand what is IT service management. ITSM, ITL, ITSM. ITL is tell about whole life cycles, but ITSM so is given understanding of service is give information by ITSM only. Services are means of delivering value to customer by facilitating outcomes. Guys, read compulsory this one. Read it. I'm not saying they will ask and all kind of stuff, but I'm saying it is read it compulsory. Services services are means of delivering value to customer by facilitating outcomes. What is that meaning? Okay, I'm getting internet. That is the value. I'm getting internet. Internet service provider providing me a internet service. That is, I'm giving a delivering a value to the customer. Okay, so they are not delivering. So then it is a problem. But they are giving delivering a service. Okay, um, software service or network service or a system or anything in IT. So whatever it is, you are providing a service to the customer by facilitating outcomes. I told example of constructing a building. I will tell another example to understand ITL. Hotels, roadside hotel, a big hotel, whatever five-star hotel, whatever it is. Okay, hotels are food delivering things. Also, very good example in ITL, understanding of ITL. Construction of buildings, hotels is another one, and internet service providers. Customer want to achieve without ownership of specific cost and risk. What is that meaning is, for example, I want AC, cooling system is AC is required. So I have to build my AC in my home, right? Not required. I have to no need to build it. Just pay the money. The guy will come up and fix the AC, right? I have to purchase air cooler. That's it. I want a computer. I no need to build all the electronics and all. I need to build one big company to build my one computer. Just pay the money. You will get the computer at home. Your AC got repair. Your AC got repair, or a air cooler got repair, or maybe computer got repair. So for AC example, AC I have to go to trading college. I have to learn 1 year of course of how to repair AC, or go to YouTube how to repair AC. Okay, learn the how to repair and repair the AC. Right? We don't do it. We call the service candidate. So the service person will come up and repair it. So you no need of taking ownership of it or specific cost or a risk you need to take it. Will get a service from service candidate, service person. So understand. So service provider. So first of all, customer want to achieve without a ownership of specific cost and risk. You don't need to do it. Okay. So we have to provide the services. Simple to understand. People want quarter inch hole, not quarter inch drill. What is that meaning is, for example, very straightforward I am telling. So I want to hang my a calendar. So I want to put a hole on my thing. So what to do? What I want, hole. What I want, hole. Whether a service candidate take a electrical driller or maybe manual driller or maybe directly is putting a hole. Maybe use a head to put a hole. I don't mind about it. What I want is a hole on my wall. That's it, right? So that is the point of people want a quarter inch hole, not a quarter inch drilling. So that is the concept of drilling is not mine. Important is whether I got what I want or not. That is the people what they want they are getting or not. That's very simple, right? So My personal issues, you're not mine. You want a class, you will get it, right? So whatever your personal issue or whatever my personal issue, that's a different thing, right? So that's simple. I am getting internet. Whatever it is happened to my internet service provider, I don't mind. So whatever they doing, whatever they channels and all, okay. Important is I am getting internet or not. Only the question is for me, am I getting internet or not? That is important. IT service management is the implementation and management of quality IT services, not it service. It is IT services only that meets the need of for a business. Okay, so what is it is IT service management is putting on it quality of IT services. What is the quality here? Customer should get the service whatever it is happens. IT service management is performed by IT service provider through people, process and technology. So how to provide the service? IT service management is performed by IT service provider. So IT service provider do IT service management. How to provide a service? Using people. People means working in the organization. Process, the way you do it. Technology, so how do you deliver it? What is technology we are using on the service provider? We are using Google Meet, right? We are using a Google Meet, YouTube or Zoom or anything. We are using a technology to provide a services. Same thing, right? Technology, whatever the technology it is, right? Benefits of ITSM: improve quality service provision, cost justified service quality, service that meet business and customer and user demand, centralized process. Everyone knows their role and their responsibility in service for provision. Improve quality service provision. So ITSM is mainly concentrate on the concept of ITSM. This is not a parts of ITSM. So people will put already ITL, ITSM differences, ITL, ITIS differences. So, but here it is only ITSM. Improve quality service provision. So, okay. So, what is the service we are providing now? How to improve the quality of the services? Cost justified quality, that is very important, right? So for example, I'm getting 50 mbps, it's cost around monthly, some cost is there, they're charging double for example, not cost justified. I'm getting 10 rupees only, for example, the service is 500 rupees, the quality of the service as per the what I'm getting is 500 rupees. If they charge 1500 rupees, not good. Okay, they charge 50 rupees, not good for a business. So how much you are selling, how much you are getting by customer, that is also very important. So sometimes it will be imbalance, sometimes it is a balance, of course. For example, do you know Bajaj Qute? Bajaj Qute is a car. Okay, there is a small cars launch in other countries like a US based countries. So they can buy, they have to build anyone can build a bike or a car, anything. Only thing is they go for a quality check, quality is good, then they can start running. So only thing is you have to take a license, you have to give a document for your that is working good. But in India we have a different rule kind of stuff. So Bajaj Qute try to launch the car. It's a two-seater car only, for 65,000 rupees only. So it's almost a bike cost. Okay, 65,000. If after taxes also not more than 85 90,000. Actually, it is 5, 6, 7 years back or 8 years back. They constructed and building, but they didn't get a license because the bumper is something like if it is met with an accident, it will become damaged. Okay, and now the cost is 2,000 2 lakhs 50,000 after launching. 65,000 car they're launching with a 2 lakhs 50,000 without AC, no AC, no AC facility is not there, but you will get a 1 lakh 50,000 Tata Nano with AC, lesser cost, lesser cost you will get it. And this cost justified because the car is small in size and it is smaller than Tata Nano, even it is very costly. It is just like a, even CC engine also very small, like a auto engine only. So street autos are there, no? So same auto type of engine only, very small engine. Not even a 900 cc, 800 cc also not there. It's around 400 cc something. Bajaj Qute, 2,50,000. What happened? Nothing is happened. No one is purchasing. Only one or two people maybe purchase. Maybe they got it freely. I think so. I seen in one two Bajaj Qute in Pune. Okay, not much. Now it is electrical is demand and now. Okay, the cost not justified there. Understand the business. Okay, if for example they're giving same car for to 20,000 rupees. What happened? Even it is not good for a business also. Customer and business people must be good. Okay, I took lot of time. Service that meet business, customer and user demand, based on the demand of users. So we have to make sure that service is available and what customer is expectations, we can do it. Centralized process, so everything we control from the centrally. Details of services, what are the customers, okay, what is the demand, what is the quantity we have, what is the quality we are providing. So entire thing details we should be keep it in one place. That is called centralized process. Everyone knows their role and know their responsibility in a service provision. Of course, you may hear this thing when you are in an office or a kind of stuff, or you went to some office, they'll tell it is not my work. Very simple, it is not my work. It is someone's work. So what happened here, everyone is trying to push their roles into that one. Same organization in CMS when I working, I heard this thing again in this organization, CMS organization, not here, not in Savantis. Okay, I hear these things in a CMS and previous organizations also. So if you ask like is what happened means student not paid fees, it is not my duty. It is a trainer's duty. They simply throw on trainers. Student is not coming. Sit, they'll throw on a trainer. So you have to responsible for your student only. In one even one place I seen, um, faculty is available. Students are completed their syllabus and went. So faculty is almost taking one batch only, but remaining time is become free. So immediately manager came up. You should go out and bring the students and give them training. This is your responsibility. If you want to stay in job, you should go out and bring the students and give the training, collect the money, give it to me. So then what you will do? So I got a question immediately because I was in the next to that one. If they said like to me, then I will give. That time I'm a little bit crazy candidate. Now I'm a very good person, very decent. Okay, so so that's things will happen. It is not my duty. I work in my first organization also. So okay, so you must know when you join an organization, they will give you a KRA, key responsibility area, KRA, key responsibility areas, KPI, key performance indicator. So they will give, HR will explain what is your role in our organization. Role as this one, like what is a PAT, what is the role of the PAT, what is engineering training thing, what is the role of HR, what is the role of uh, finance person, okay, accountant, what is the role of HR, what is the role of accountant, what is the role of sales person, what is the role of service person, what is the role of the front desk people. Okay, so each and every person has their roles. They must know the roles and then they can work very smoothly. That is a very important. Okay, so process is set activities designed to accomplish a specific object. So input, control, process, enablers and output. So there is so many things are there. You'll go so many things, so don't go for it, guys. Again I'm repeating. So what is ITL? And definition of ITL is in the first paragraph. Benefits of ITL, five life cycles of ITL, five life cycles of ITL, and characteristics of ITL, characteristics of ITL, service management, IT service management, ITSM. Um, what is the ITSM, and what is the benefits of ITSM. Of course, this is important process kind of stuff. Process, you have to understand in a way like designed to accomplish, like you have to do something, you have to follow a process. You have to do something, you have to do follow a process. So it is all or something like that. It is there. Okay. Process enablers, controls, input, output, what to do in a process kind of stuff. Okay, roles, and RACI model, responsible, accountable, consultant, and form kind of stuff. So it has become a very big one. So